trying to be in 4 places at the same time, but so I'll just say a few short words, very quick notes, a little bit gray hair just in case, you know. So here we are again for the 18th year. For 18 years, we've had the opportunity to make the recipient of this award make their life just a little bit better. So a deserving individual and her family. Our Enriching Lives program has sort of taken on a life of its own. We've seen over the years how this has impacted positively people that have been recipients. And you know, we even had one lady that young lady that ended up starting her own business. So that's really good. And I'm so proud of the staff, people and the staff here at Collision Clinic for making this happen the way they do every year. And I believe I speak for every single employee of Collision Clinic to say that, you know, we're going to feel good this Christmas knowing that this family is going to be feeling good because they now have they're going to have a happier Christmas because they now have a good vehicle and good, safe transportation. And it's going to be just a little bit less stressful going into 2022. So we normally have the whole staff of Collision Clinic in the room here when we do this, but obviously COVID's not going to allow us to do that. But I'd like to offer them a good round of applause for what they've done, and we really appreciate it, and they do this every year. So I'd like to call on the person that actually started this program 18 years ago, our General Manager, Sharon Wells, to introduce this year's recipient.
Well, thank you. Welcome everybody. Again, complete 18 years. It's just amazing. I think I see a lot of familiar faces. I know everybody is spread out a little bit, and I want to say a couple of special thank yous to our selection committee who are over on this side. We have Paula, Darren, and Darlene, and they have a very strenuous job of trying to decide which applicant is selected for our program. So I want to thank them very much, even though I can't see them, but thank you. Also, obviously, as Glenn said, to all the technicians, we certainly can't do that without them. They volunteer their time. We have a lot of administration staff that do the majority of the work when it comes to getting ready for getting our vendors on board and getting the gifts together and all of those things, even print out our pamphlets. So my thanks to all of you guys. Again, Christmas really begins for us. Like once it's a lot of stress, I guess a happy stress getting built up to this day, but it's such a rewarding day for all of us, and we look forward to it every year. We hope that we can do it every other year. And I do have a few special thank yous. It's a group of companies. Thanks to Glenn, the owner of Collision Clinic. We also have a sister company, Auto Parts Network, and they donate the parts. We have other vendors, and I have them all listed. I also need to thank PPG and Bumper to Bumper because they've helped with the first year of insurance, which you can imagine is a major contribution. So I'd like to thank them as well. And just once again, I hope I see everybody here again next year when we do it. And who knows what will happen for year 2020, or 20th year. So that'll be coming up before you know it. And we have some family gifts there as well. So I will bring in our recipient this year. Her name is Faith Ann Vokey, and she has an 18-month-old son, Ashton, and so we will bring them in and you can get introduced to them. So thanks again. She's very nervous, so we might have to drag her in.
So we're going to ask Cody to pass on the keys to this wonderful vehicle.
And yes, well, I'm sure you want to see it.
Come in, sir. You're just much part of this.
This is Big Dan's grandfather.
Come around, folks. If you want to get some pictures, just come around the east side as well. What do you think of that? Yes, come on, spoon is one. Well, Big Dan. Big. If you have any questions for it, because she's very shy, so she's not going to offer up in her name or anything. So if you have any questions for her, I'm sure she'll be willing to talk and answer your questions. Okay, Ash.
Wow.
That's good, or?
So what does this mean to you?
I've been relying on taxis to get back and forth to work. I'm heading
Like which work? Are you in the same where you live?
No, we're going to the hotel.
So how do you get there?
Taxi. I work 3 to 11:30. I'm working an hour for a taxi with a car seat. With a taxi with a car seat and, getting him home later every night. So my grandfather's been a big help and his great-grandparents have been a big help with us and we're so grateful.
But now, you don't wait an hour for a taxi.
No, not at all. You go right home.
What kind of emotions were you feeling when you first came here and saw the vehicle for the first time?
Well, I cried. I can see when it pulls in and I start calling.
It must give you a bit of a peace of mind too, with having such a little one at home and now being able to move and get transportation when you need it.
Yes. It felt nice. I'm going back to school next year.
Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I know it sounds crazy, but it won't be for long, and you'll be looking great.
I think it's not really very good. What? How do you do this? He's the other one.
He's excited.
Glenn, he's in the ball, this with the balls. Give the ball to Ashton. Give me Ashton with the ball.
Give the ball to Ashley.
Remember with the ball. You never had to bring it back to somebody.
You want more close, but any of the close.
Sometimes it's
Yeah, still good, bud.
Look at look. Big ball. Congratulations. Thank you so much.
Yes.